Good, y'all. You're watching a new video. It's your boy Dre. You already know. I just got done shooting with like this amazing. Wait, Dre, play my intro. Yeah. You see who it is in the beginning. What's up? Shout out to Eric for the intro. Appreciate you, bro. If you guys didn't know, I interviewed them on the podcast Ultimate Bias K-pop cast. Link in the description. Go check out this chaotic interview. I don't know, is it chaotic? I felt like we were just chilling too. We were just chilling. It was like chaos and vibing, to be honest. But be sure to check out and subscribe to Ultimate Bias K-pop cast. I'll put the link in the description for the YouTube. You could stream it on Spotify too. The boys were so good. I got to see their show live as well. There's such good performance. All of them 8. But they just came out with Trigger MV like 2 days ago. See, boys, I am reacting. I'm only saying that because they called me out for not reacting. Do check them out on Twitch as well, but some of y'all don't go check it out. So either way, we're gonna check out the boys Trigger in 3, 2, 1.
Prometheus stole fire from the gods and gave it to mankind.
Well, what?
But they burned everything to ashes.
To ashes?
And so, that became our trigger.
Ooh. Ooh, okay, Neck. Oh, he rapping up. Oh my god, they started off strong. Okay, serve, face. It's like futuristic. Okay. Like, okay. Damn, where are they? They in an underground, like... Oh, it's such an interesting beat too. Huh. What the hell? Sorry, I am pausing. I'll be pausing a lot. Sorry. He is. Oh, he's in the game. He's in the game in virtual reality. Oh. Yay! I heard that. Ooh, what is this, like apocalyptic? Cyberpunk? Oh, he was flirting. Well, not really, but. Whoa. Ooh, oh, this is hard. It came in hard. Pause. Oh. Oh. Hey. There's a bunch of like writing on that wall, on the building itself too. I wonder if that was like already there. Okay, that pause game be on point. Damn, so many shots. It's kind of chaotic. I love it. From a visual standpoint. Like a wick, like the wick of a candle? Like the wick, okay. Oh, he talking. Oh, he talking. Hey! I love that. Look. You know what I'm talking about? No, yeah, you do. The little detail? I don't know, like it's like a good, it gives me good sense. I don't know, like tingles. Can I hear it? Oh my god. Oh, you popped off on that, my boy. You popped up. Wait, hold up. Go back. Woo. Oh, hey. The little, okay. The visuals or outfits are pretty dope. They just serving though. Woo, okay, vocal. Hey. God, everybody looks good, you know, in rags and strings, basically. Not really rags and strings. I love that move. Wave that. Okay. Whoa. Ooh. Hey! Hey! Ah, with the vocal in the back. Oh, they are killing it. Just the epicness in this. It's like chaos, a riot. Ooh! Ooh! Oh, they not playing. They don't play at all, to be honest. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, who you fighting? Who do I have to beat up to? The fire in my ear. Prometheus stole the fire from the gods and gave it to mankind. But mankind burned everything to ashes. And so that became our trigger. Oh, that's what he said in the beginning. I'm just, what? Defy and resist. Ooh, okay. Okay, you snapped. Y'all snapped. What the hell? Put a comments down below what you guys think of the BOYZ trigger. Shout out to Eric. Thank you for the intro. Appreciate you, bro. Be sure to check out the links in the description down below. But what's that one word? What's that one phrase I gotta say?
Dre, play my intro.
Man. Oh my god, so much is happening. I'm curious to know what y'all think. Put the comments down below. Be sure to check out the links in the descriptions. Be sure to check out the interview with the boys on Ultimate Bias K-Popcast. Link in the description. Instagram, TikTok at JustRandom I'll see you guys next time. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it. It might just come true. Ooh. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.